pour this into your pot and watch the burnt stains disappear on their own. This is the easiest trick for burnt cookware no one ever told you about. Burnt pots are a nightmare for many people. They're hard to clean, and scrubbing takes forever. But there's a simple method that works fast and without effort. Fill the pot with water until it covers the burnt bottom. Now, add 2 tablespoons of the secret ingredient. I'll reveal what it is in a moment. Put the pot on the stove over medium heat. The mixture starts working right away because the ingredient instantly breaks down grease and burnt-on residue. After just a few minutes, you'll see the burnt bits lifting off the bottom. What's left is dirty, dark water that you can simply pour down the sink. Then add water with dish soap to the pot and clean off the remaining residue. Finally, rinse the pot under running water, and it's ready. Your cookware regains its shine, looks like new, and can be used again immediately. And the secret ingredient that makes it all possible is plain citric acid. It has powerful cleaning and degreasing properties. A simple trick with an amazing result. With this method, you'll never throw away a burnt pot again. Line a pan with aluminum foil. When I first heard about this trick, I couldn't believe it actually worked. But it has saved me both time and money. Start by covering the entire bottom and sides of the pan with foil to create a protective layer. Then, take a few small pieces of foil, shape them into balls about the size of a walnut, and place them in the pan. Fill the pan with water, cover it with a lid, and bring it to a boil. Now gather your tarnished cutlery with stubborn stains and water spots and drop them into the boiling water. Next, take a dishwasher tablet and only use its liquid part. Add a little vinegar, which helps dissolve buildup and has antibacterial properties. Then, add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking soda to enhance the cleaning process and remove tough stains. Let everything boil for about 10 minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Afterward, pour the water out and rinse the cutlery thoroughly under running water. Finally, dry them with a clean cloth, and that's it. Your cutlery will shine like new, completely free of stains, residue, and water spots. Throw eggshells onto a baking tray. You'll be surprised at what you can do with them. Eggshells are a great source of calcium and other minerals that can be used in many ways. Place them in the oven and heat for 5 minutes. This makes them more brittle and easier to grind. Now, transfer the toasted eggshells to a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, which acts as a natural cleaner. Then, add 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent, which helps break down stubborn stains. Blend everything until the eggshells turn into a fine powder. Your homemade cleaning mix is ready. Now, test it on burnt pots and pans. Sprinkle the powder on the scorched areas, scrub, and rinse. Wipe dry and see the difference. Tough stains and burns disappear without scratching the surface. Your pan looks like new, and cleaning has never been easier. Try this method and forget about expensive chemical cleaners. Melt candles on a pan, and the results will surprise you. Place 3 candles with long wicks on a pan and heat them on low. Once the candles melt, use tongs to remove the wicks and set them aside for later. Next, grab some oranges and lemons, slicing them into thin rounds. Their fresh, wintry aroma will uplift your spirits, perfect for those colder, darker days. Take a few sprigs of pine or arbor vitae, a staple of winter decor, and cut them into small pieces. Prepare a large glass container and tightly arrange the citrus slices and greenery along its walls. Add a few cinnamon sticks to infuse a subtle, cozy scent. Wrap the saved wick around a stick and carefully pour the melted wax into the container, covering the fruits and sprigs. Before the wax sets, position the wick so it reaches the bottom of the container. Let the candle cool completely. Light it up and voila! You've created a beautiful, fragrant winter candle that brings a cozy atmosphere to your space. The transparent design with citrus slices and pine branches offers a natural, unique look, making it a perfect complement to your winter decorations. Place a colander on the pan. When you find out why, you'll immediately love this idea. It helps, and it really works. Almost everyone has a metal colander in the kitchen, also known as a strainer. A colander is a kind of larger sieve. It can be in the form of a pot. However, a colander with handles is more commonly used. You use it to drain dishes, such as pasta. It's also used for washing fruits and vegetables, especially the smaller ones. Few people use it for frying. And it's precisely because of it that frying is much better. I can't imagine a kitchen without this utensil, especially when I want to fry previously frozen products. For example, frozen fish. There are several methods recommended by chefs for this. The first method is to wipe the pan with vinegar before frying. Pour a little vinegar into the pan and wipe it with a paper towel. Then pour in and heat the fat. The second method is to add a pinch of salt to the fat while frying. Another trick is to fry the dish, whether it's meat or fish, with slices of raw potato. And if you forget to rub the pan with vinegar, don't have potatoes, and forget about salt? Then use a colander. Why all this? These are ways to prevent fat from splattering during frying. If there's even a bit of water left in the fish, the fat will splatter all over. Instead of a lid, use a colander. The steam will escape freely, the dish will continue to fry, and your kitchen will remain clean. Your pan will look like new. I'll show you a simple and effective method to make your pan shine. Say goodbye to old cleaning methods. Start by sprinkling salt on the pan. It acts as a natural abrasive. Next, pour dish soap over the pan to tackle greasy stains. In the next step, sprinkle baking soda over the surface. These ingredients work wonders on different types of dirt, removing stains and streaks from steel components. Now, place a few paper towels over the pan. The paper will absorb excess grime and grease. Finally, pour vinegar onto the pan and let it sit for a few minutes. The vinegar enhances the effectiveness of the previously used ingredients. After a few minutes, rinse the pan with warm water and dry it. As you can see, all the burnt residue is gone. Now your pan is clean and ready to use. With this method, you no longer have to worry about burn marks. Try it yourself and see how easy it is to clean a burnt pan. Put the pan in a plastic bag. Just 4 ingredients and an ordinary bag will make your pan look brand new. Cleaning burnt pans and pots can be a real hassle, but this simple trick changes everything. Start by pouring a glass of cola into a container. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which effectively removes grease. Then, mix in 2 tablespoons of dish soap and 1 tablespoon of salt. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of dishwasher rinse aid to give the surface a shiny finish. Stir the mixture well. These ingredients work together to eliminate stains and restore metal surfaces. Now take a plastic bottle, unscrew the cap, and heat it slightly. Make a small hole. Pour in the cleaning solution and close it tightly. This creates an easy-to-use applicator for the mixture. Place the dirty pan in a plastic bag and evenly coat it with the solution, ensuring the entire surface is covered. Seal the bag tightly and let it sit for 1 hour. Afterward, take the pan out and scrub it with a metal scouring pad. Then rinse with water. Your pan will be clean and shiny like new. This trick keeps cookware in perfect condition without using harsh chemicals.